Luxury amidst losing. A first look at the Nissan 1960 Club. While the Tennessee Titans struggle to find success on the field, they are preparing to offer a high-end escape for fans off it. As the team works to rebuild its winning record, the focus is shifting toward a massive infrastructure upgrade. The new Nissan Stadium, a premium experience in a new era, a centerpiece of this new venue, is the Nissan 1960 Club, an upscale establishment designed to provide a luxury experience regardless of the team's performance. Located at field level along the home sideline, the club is designed to host up to 550 guests. The club's design leans heavily into a speakeasy aesthetic, blending vintage charm with modern luxury. Key features of the space include a private golden entrance featuring typography inspired by Nissan's original 1960 wordmark, an all-inclusive dining model, offering premium food and beverages for both Titans games and stadium concerts. Immersive views, including a dedicated on-field viewing area and multiple television stations throughout the lounge. Historical tributes, featuring artifacts from both the Titans and Nissan, including a nod to Yutaka Kajiyama, the legendary father of the Nissan Z sports car. The connection? Why the 1960 name matters. The name of the club is not arbitrary. It serves as a bridge between the two organizations. 1960 marks the year Nissan established its presence in the United States, and it is also the year the Titans franchise was founded, originally as the Houston Oilers. This branding highlights a deep-rooted corporate partnership. Nissan's U.S. headquarters are located in nearby Franklin, Tennessee, making the stadium deal more than just a naming rights contract. It is a localized, long-term investment in the region. The paradox of success, the unveiling of such a high-end venue, comes at a challenging time for the franchise. The Titans have faced significant on-field struggles, failing to secure a winning season since 2021 and seeing a 9.1% drop in attendance last year. This creates a striking contrast. While the team's win-loss record has declined, the stadium's premium amenities are in such high demand that access to the Nissan 1960 Club is already sold out. This suggests a growing trend in professional sports, where luxury hospitality is becoming a primary revenue driver, often decoupled from the actual success of the team on the gridiron. The partnership with the Titans is personal, noted Nissan's Allison Witherspoon, emphasizing that the club is designed to celebrate decades of innovation and performance. The new Nissan Stadium is scheduled for completion in February of next year, promising a revamped atmosphere for football fans and concertgoers alike.